Center para sa Philippine International Motor Show 2026. Kung kailangan mo ng refrigerated van for your business, check out Japan Quality Isuzu Travis J-Spec Ref Van. This J-Spec Ref Van body is specially developed by Cooltech for the Isuzu Travis. Gumagamit ito ng Japanese technology to keep products fresh and preserve their natural flavors para kapag dumating sa customers, they can experience the true taste of Japan. Ang insulation na ginamit dito ay extruded polystyrene foam or XPS. Siguradong maaasahan in keeping products fresh. Closed cell ang structure ng XPS kaya hindi pinapasukan ng tubig. The cooling system is powered by a Japanese Sanden compressor. Gawang Japan kaya mabilis ang cool down time. Kaya pang mag-maintain ng temperature up to negative 25 degrees Celsius. May nice kilak sa madaling buksan at isara, kahit one-hand operation, kaya. May alarm buzzer din for added safety. Japan quality, kaya supok sa tibay at siguradong maaasahan. Kung gusto mong makita ng personal, it is available here in World Trade Center, Manila until June 7, 2026 from 10 a.m. to 9 p.m.